Hello, class 7. So, we are going to start a new chapter. The name of chapter is Acid, Bases, and Salts. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the name of chapter Acid, Bases, and Salt. So, we are going to see what is the meaning of acid, what is the taste of acid, what is the meaning of base, what is the taste of base, what is their pH value, okay, sorry, what is the pH value. Then we will see lot of example of acid, base and salt. Okay, so please write down the name of chapter. Okay, and we will see different uses, some chemical formula. Then we will also talk about filter paper. Okay, so we will study all these. Okay, so I hope that you understood my meaning. Okay, now first of all we will begin with acid. So now let's move on there. First point. Okay, so first topic is acid. Yes, so you can see on the screen, acid are sour in taste. Yes, SOUR. But most of the people read this word sour. Acid are sour in taste, sour khatta. Okay, just like tamarind. Okay, just like lemon. Okay, so kids, acid are sour in taste. Okay, yes, sour in taste. And when you dissolve acid in then they produce a ion. Yes, it means acid has ion. Acid has ion. Which ion is present in acid? Which ion is present in acid? Acid has hydrogen ion. Acid has hydrogen ion. Okay, hydrogen ion. So acid produce hydrogen ion, H plus ion. Okay, H plus ion. Hydrogen is a positive ion. Okay, suppose you have a filter paper. Which filter paper? If you do the test of acid, then what happens? If you do the test, then what happens? It turns blue litmus into red. It turns blue litmus into red. Okay, litmus is a natural indicator. What is litmus? Litmus is a natural indicator which is used to test if a substance is acid or base. Next is, you can see on the screen, acid plus metal salt plus hydrogen gas conduct electricity are corrosive. Yes, when these acid plus metal salt plus hydrogen gas conduct electricity are corrosive and they causes acid rain. Yes, because of acid causes acid rain. Because of acid causes acid rain. How can we find that any substance? How can we find about any substance that it is acid or base? We use a scale. The name of scale is pH scale. The name of scale is pH scale. So, if the value on pH scale is 0, it means substance is neutral. But if the value on pH scale is less than 7, if the value on pH scale is less than 7, then the substance will be acid. Okay, so point number 1, acid are sour in taste. They produce hydrogen ion. They turn blue litmus into red. Litmus is a natural indicator. Indicator are those substances which are used to test whether a substance is acid, base or neutral. Okay, and it causes acid rain and pH value is less than 7. Please write down. I am giving you 10 seconds. So kids, I hope that you understood the meaning of acid. Yes, acid are sour in taste, produce hydrogen ion, turn blue litmus into red. Okay, suppose you have blue litmus, if it is turning into red, then it is. There are many indicators. Litmus is indicator, China rose is indicator, even turmeric is also indicator. Okay, and pH value. Okay, value on pH scale, which pH scale is a scale which show acid base, okay, which is less than 7. I hope you understood. Now let's see some example. Okay, let's move on the next point. Okay, it's time to talk about the examples of acid. So as you can see, first acid is vinegar, Vinegar, vinegar. Yes, vinegar is also known as acetic acid, and the taste of vinegar is sour. Yes, sour in taste, just like lemon juice. And lemon juice is also an example of acid. Okay, so which acid is present in lemon? Citric acid. Okay, we will also see the which acid are present in all these examples. Okay, even in orange juice also acid present. Curd, in curd also acid present. Yes, tamarind, tartaric acid. Amla, yes. Black tea, yes kids, black tea contains acid. That's why too much black tea is also not good for health. Too much black tea is not good for health. Okay. Apple juice, yes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple also contains acid, yes. Unripe mango, yes. Kacha mango. Raw mango, kiwi, which also contains acid. Grapes, yes. Grapes also has acid, yes. So vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, tamarind, amla, black tea, apple juice, unripe mango, grapes, all these contains acid. Okay, please write down. I am giving you few seconds. So kids, as you can see, vinegar is known as acetic acid. Yes, tamarind, imli. Yes, do you like tamarind toffee? We eat tamarind. Yes. Do you like tamarind chutney? Yes. Lemon juice is also contain acid. Yes, I like lemon juice. Orange juice also I like. Grape juice I like. Mango juice I like. I like whole. Yes. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. So kids, we had seen the examples of different acid. So curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, taste sour. Yes. What taste do they have? Their taste is sour. Curd is sour, lemon juice is sour, orange juice is sour, vinegar is sour. These substances taste sour because They contains acid. Yes, they have acid. Okay. The chemical nature of substance is acidic, and their nature. If we talk about their nature, what is the nature of curd? What is the chemical nature of lemon juice? What is the chemical nature of acetic acid? What is the chemical nature of orange juice? Curd are acidic substance. Lemon juice is acidic in nature. Orange juice is acidic in nature. Vinegar is acidic in nature. Yes, and apple juice is acidic in nature. Unripe mango is acidic in nature. Grapes are acidic in nature. Black tea is acidic in nature. Amla is acidic in nature. All these are acidic in nature. Okay. They are acidic in nature means their taste, they are sour in taste. The word acid, from where this word has come? Yes, from where has acid word come? The word acid come from the word acere, acere, which means sour. Yes, acid word, it is originated from a Latin word, acere. Yes, acid word, it is originated from the Latin word acere. Okay, which means sour. What is the meaning? Sour. Okay, my teacher also teaches me sour. That's why I speak sour sometimes. Otherwise, it is sour. Okay. The acid in these substances are nature acid. Yes, all these substances, curd, lemon juice, orange juice, contains natural acid. Okay. So remember, kids, curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, taste in sour in taste. These substances taste sour because they contain acid. The chemical nature of substance is acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word acere, which means sour. The acid in these substances are nature acid. Okay. Now, please write down. I am giving you few seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, kids, that I hope that you understood. There are many acid. Yes, there are different type of acid. Tartaric acid, oxalic acid, lactic acid, formic acid, hydrochloric. There are many acids. So now let's see the example of some acid and some substances. Which substance has which acid? Which substance contains which acid? Let's see the example now. Let's see the next point. Okay, kids. So as you can see on the screen, there are different name of acid. Yes. So first, you can see name of acid. At first written name of acid, and second is written found in which things are found. Okay, which acid are found in which substance. So stomach, which acid is present in stomach? You can see hydrochloric acid, HYDROCHLORI. I will also show you some chemical formula. Okay, if you want to write them, you can write. Okay, so hydrochloric acid is present in stomach. So stomach acid, which is the stomach acid? Hydrochloric. Yes, hydrochloric is acid. Hydrochloric is acid. Battery of car. Yes, which acid is present in battery of car? Yes, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is present in car battery. Sulfuric acid is also known as king of chemical. Sulfuric acid is also known as king of chemical. Sulfuric acid is found in car batteries. Sulfuric acid is found in car battery. Okay. Explosive, yes. Explosive contains explosive like bomb, yes. They contains acid. Which acid? Nitric acid, yes, HNO3. Nitric acid is present in explosive. Okay. Acetic acid. I already told about acetic acid. Vinegar has acetic acid. Soda. Yes, soda. You know, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, and Thumbs Up, 7 Up. They all has which acid? Carbonic acid. Soda means carbonic acid. Yes. In soda, which acid is found? Carbonic acid. Mountain Dew has soda, and Pepsi has soda. Thumbs Up has soda. You know, when you open the bottle of cold drink, that time bubbles start coming out because of carbon dioxide and soda is formed. Yes. Even many shopkeeper seller mix soda in lemon juice. Yes. So in soda, which acid is found? Carbonic acid. In vinegar, which acid is found? Acetic acid. In explosive, which acid is found? Nitric acid. In car battery, which acid is found? Sulfuric acid. In stomach, which acid is found? Hydrochloric acid. Okay, flavoring common acid. In flavoring common, phosphoric acid is found. Ant. Which acid is found when ant bite? When ant sting? You know, when ant sting to your skin, the skin become red and swallow. The skin become red. Why? Because ant release an acid in your skin. The name of acid is formic acid. Yes. So, formic acid is found in ant sting. Lemon and orange. Yes. Can you tell me which acid is present in lemon and orange? Citric acid. Yes, kids. So, citric acid is found in lemon and orange. Yes, that's why lemon and orange are sour in taste. Yes. Curd. Yes. In curd, lactic acid is present. Which acid is present in curd? Lactic acid. Yes, you know lactometer. What is the meaning of lactometer? Do you know? Lactometer is a device used to find in water in milk. Used to find water in milk. How much water? Slow, too much or not. So, lactic acid is found in curd. Lactic acid is found in curd. Spinach. You know, spinach, palak. Which acid is found in spinach? Oxalic acid. Even in tomato, yes, tomato also contains oxalic acid. Spinach also contains iron, but they also contain oxalic acid. So, oxalic acid is found in spinach. Oxalic acid is found in spinach. Amla and citrus fruit. Citrus fruit means khatte fruit. Amla and citrus fruit contains ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid also present in tomato. Okay. Tamarind, grapes, unripe mango. Tamarind, grapes, unripe mango. Which acid is present in tamarind? Tartaric acid, yes. Which acid is present in grape? Tartaric acid, yes. Which acid is present in cherry, means unripe mango? tartaric acid. Okay, please write down. I am giving you some seconds. Please memorize their name. Okay, write down please. So kids, I hope that you understood. First is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is found in stomach. Yes. Which is the stomach acid? Hydrochloric. You know what is the work of hydrochloric? You know, when you eat something, like if you drink dirty water or dirty food, the bacteria comes along with the food. So hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria which comes along with food. Battery of car, yes, contains sulfuric acid. Even the inverter also. Okay. Explosive, nitric acid. Vinegar, sirka, acidic acid. CH3COOH. What is the chemical formula of vinegar? CH3COOH. Flavoring contains phosphoric acid. And staying, it comes in for me. It is the question of 10th class. Yes, in 10th class this question comes. Lemon and orange, citric acid. Yes, lemon is sour in taste, orange also sour in. That's why they contain citric acid. Curd, lactic acid. Curd, lactic acid. Yes, spinach, oxalic acid. Amla, citrus fruit. Ascorbic acid is found even in tomato. Yes, tomato contains ascorbic acid. Tartaric acid, yes. In which substances, in which food tartaric acid is found? Tamarind, grapes, and ripe mango. They contains tartaric acid. So, hydrochloric found in stomach, sulfuric acid found in car battery, nitric acid found in explosive, acetic acid found in vinegar, carbonic acid found in soda, phosphoric acid found in flavoring common salt, formic acid found in acid and distinct, citric acid found in lemon, oranges, lactic acid found in curd, oxalic acid found in spinach, ascorbic acid found in amla, citrus fruit, tartaric acid found in tamarind, grapes, and ripe mangoes. Hope you understood. Now, let's move on the next point. So kids, in the beginning I told you about acid. Yes. So I told you some properties of acid. First property number 1, acid are sour in taste. Yes. They produce hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Acid turned blue litmus into red. Acid causes acid rain. The pH of acid is less than 7. Now it's time to talk about bases. So, acid are sour in taste, but bases are bitter in taste. Yes, kids. Bitter, kadwa. Bases are bitter to taste. Yes, acid are soapy to touch. Yes, when you touch the base, bases are soapy to touch. Yes, when you touch the base, you will feel soapy. Bases are soapy to touch. So when you touch the base, you will feel soapy, just like soap. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. Yes. Some bases are also known as alkalis. Yes. So which bases are called alkalis or alkalis? Water soluble. If base can dissolve in water, you will call it alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. All alkalis are base, but all the bases are not alkali. It means all the bases does not dissolve in water. Means all the bases are not alkali, but all the alkalis are base. Take a litmus paper and do the litmus paper test. Take a litmus paper, do the litmus paper test. What will happen when you will do litmus paper test? The red litmus paper turn into blue litmus. Yes, the color of red litmus turns to blue. But if we do acid test with acid, then blue litmus turns to red. And you know, kids, the value on a pH scale, the value on a pH scale for acid is less than 7. But if we talk about the pH value for base, then the value for pH for the base is more than 7. More than 7. Okay, I hope that you understood. Please write down. I am giving you few seconds. So kids, I hope that you understood. Bases are bitter to taste, soapy to touch, turns red litmus blue, pH is greater than 7. Okay. Now we will see some examples of bases. Okay. Let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's see the examples of bases, because we know that bases are bitter to taste, soapy to touch, and water soluble bases are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis, and they turn red litmus blue, pH is greater than 7. Remember kids, that all these are properties of bases. Which are the properties of bases? Property number 1, bases are bitter in taste. Property number 2, soapy to touch. Property number 3, water soluble bases are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Bases turns red litmus blue. And last property, base pH of bases is greater than 7. pH is a scale, which shows the value of acid base. Okay, base, if base, then value will be greater than 7. If less, then it will be acid, and if 0, it is neutral. Examples of bases. First example, detergent. Yes, in detergent, base is mixed. Yes, detergent is base, detergent is bitter in taste. But you should not try to test. Why do we do litmus paper test? Why do we do litmus paper test? We do because by testing anything is not a good idea. Maybe they may be poisonous. If you test the detergent, how will you feel if you will touch the detergent? You will not test. You should not test detergent. That's why we do litmus paper test. And red litmus turned to blue for base, and blue litmus turned to red for acid. Baking soda is also the example of base. Yes, baking soda. Drain cleaner, yes, cleaner of drain. Antacid base, there are many antacid base. Ammonia soap, hand soap, dish soap, these soap base. Dish washer soap, the soap that we use for washing our utensil, which is actually the example of base. Lime water, yes, tuna. Lime water is also a base. Milk of magnesia, MOM, milk of magnesia. Magnesium sulfate, I think. Okay, milk of magnesia is also the example of base. Please write down. I am giving you few seconds. So kids, which are the example of base? Detergent, baking soda, drain cleaner, antacid base, ammonia soap, hand dish, lime water, milk of magnesia. I hope you understood. Now let's see the last point. Okay, it's time to ask question from you. Question number 1. Differentiate between acid and base. Acid. You know about acid. Acid, point number 1. Acid are sour in taste. Acid are sour in taste. Point number 2. Acid produce hydrogen ion. Point number 3. Acid turn blue litmus red. Point number 4. Acid causes acid rain. Point number 5. The pH value of acid is less than 7. So acid are sour in taste, produce hydrogen ion, they turn blue litmus red, it causes acid rain, pH is less than 7. And if we talk about bases, you know bases are bitter in taste, bases are soapy to touch, bases turn red litmus to blue, bases the pH is more than 7. And as I told you, acid produce hydrogen ion, H plus ion. Base produce OH minus ion, hydroxide ion. And water soluble bases are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. All water soluble bases are called alkalis, all alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. Okay. Examples of acid. Which are the examples of acid? Vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, tamarind, amla, black tea, apple juice, unripe mango, grapes. All these are examples of acid. An example of bases: detergent, baking soda, drain cleaner, antacid base, ammonia soap, which is actually hand and dish soap, lime water, milk of magnesia. All these are example of bases. Question number 2. Write the name of some acid which are found in different substances. So, hydrochloric acid found in stomach, sulfuric acid found in car battery, nitric acid found in explosive, acetic acid found in vinegar, carbonic acid found in soda, phosphoric acid found in flavorings common, formic acid found in ant sting. Okay, formic acid found in ant sting, citric acid found in lemon orange, lactic acid found in curd, oxalic acid found in spinach, ascorbic acid found in amla citrus fruit, tartaric acid found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mango. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Do the study at home. Okay, take care, see you later, bye bye.